What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. And I actually have some pretty important news, some interesting news to go over in today's episode. It appears like a lot of the major cryptocurrencies are actually starting to break through some pretty solid resistance levels and could be the beginning of the bull run that we've been pretty much tracking for the past couple of days here on the channel. So if things go well, we should be able to outline by the end of today's video either when to buy in, which could be as early as tonight, as well as how high we could potentially be going. So I'm very excited. You can see here on XRP's chart, we've pretty much started to just trade as of this morning outside of a major bull flag descending fractal here. This is the sixth bull flag for the most part here. You can see we've pretty much bottomed off and are starting to veer higher. We'll go over that in a minute. We have Ethereum, which looks really good. We've drawn in, we know we've been tracking a major ascending fractal here, but we've also decided to focus in on a bit smaller scale on the bull flag that's been forming here as well. And you can see as of today, we're just starting to retest that high. Good chance we could break through that. We'll look over that in a minute. Bitcoin has just as of today started to trend above major resistance here on its bull flag. And then the S&P 500 just keeps hiking higher and higher and higher and higher, which is absolutely mind-boggling if you ask me. And I'm very surprised across the board that we're continuing to head this high, because I think we are definitely due for a pullback here. However, this is something that came by no surprise. I mean, we've been tracking this since bottom right here, and it's pretty nuts that we float. It's just been on a sheer bull run explosion over the past couple of days here. You can see price range from bottom support. Market is up literally 16%, which is just it's incredible. It's impressive. It's just so many words here, but things like this don't usually last. We need to pull back down, a healthy pullback nonetheless. You can see the consolidation usually takes place. We do see some sort of consolidative movement here, and that's truly what we expect to see happen here, or what I expect to see happen here. But I'll go over everything in a little bit with you guys. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, when it comes to the Amazon gift card giveaway, I'm still waiting on the BidFi key tags here. When those come in, then I'll be able to start shipping things off, which will be fun, but it's just a waiting game at this point. It's super annoying. It's coming from China, and it is the holiday season, so things are definitely taking a bit longer than usual, which is annoying considering I ordered them a month ago. They had sent it to me a month ago, so it is taking quite a long time. But when those come in, we'll start the Amazon gift card giveaway back up, so just keep that in mind here. But diving into the video and the technical indicators and analysis here, a few things we need to go over. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video, we had two videos out. One was a new kind of crypto pre-sale, pump and dump, whatever you want to call it, that just hit the market. So if you're interested in that, check that out here. Another thing we need to look at here is the breakout right around the corner. This is literally yesterday's video that we made, screaming that a breakout across crypto was coming as of yesterday. And then we're seeing it today, which is nuts. So we talked about this yesterday. We planned for it, and here it is actually happening, which is nutty to think it happened so on point exact. You can see market right now is at 1.63 trillion, 71 on the fear and greed index. We're up 5% for Bitcoin. We're up 1.5% for XRP, 17% for Solana, and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies are actually exploding. Helium is up 91%, making a comeback, which is annoying because I should have been mining. All my miners have been plugged in for over a year now, and Helium has just kind of gone downhill, which is annoying. No longer do my miners connect, which is pissing me off. Helium has become very difficult to mine on the miners because they've switched the apps 9 different times. We also have the MXC coin. Let's see how that's trading here. That's actually been heading up too, which is, well, barely. That's completely tanked from 11% down to less than a penny. So as expected, some of these are obviously going to be shams and some aren't. Helium's doing well, so that's nice to know that we have some crypto in that still. But besides that, looking at and diving into the technical analysis, what we really need to cover and go over is, if you see the XRP chart here, we've been tracking what appear to be 5 confirmed bull flag formations on XRP. Here's the first breakout. Here's the second breakout. Here's the third right here, fourth, the 5th confirmed. This is where things got a bit tricky. We had 5 breakouts. Here's the 5th bull flag formation. Here's where we actually broke out of. And now we're starting to consolidate. You can see right here, we've actually started to pull back down and hit a bit of turbulence right here. Or sorry, we had this breakout here and we figured, oh, would we continue to head up higher? We didn't. We started to pull back to the downside here, which formed what I thought would maybe be the 6th bull flag. And then from there, we actually broke out of it, or starting to. That's what I would suspect to see happen, is the breakout here. I'm actually surprised that we even had this, because first we had this movement right here, and I thought we would need to continue to fill in this level here. The last retest was very close, was much earlier in the bull flag to the downside here. And then we kind of hung out at the top and broke through it, which was surprising to me, because I was really certain we needed a retest of moving average before we saw any sort of breakout of any substantial size happen. And then here we are with today, finally, after the bull flag, we actually did just that, consolidated, came back down, retested very close to, we literally retested a moving average and came close to the bottom support and price floor. And as of today, we're starting to break out. Now, as you guys know, it's very simple. Major resistance up here. We need to break through this to explode to the upside here, which could be tonight. It could be today, it could be tomorrow. But if we close today above here, we can buy in and long. If not, and we start to correct lower, then we need to wait a bit. We need to wait to break through price ceiling to buy in. If you want to play it aggressive, you can buy in now, but ideally we break through this factor of 62 cents. That's when we can long the markets here. Obviously taking advantage of our trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you would want on an exchange is offered on BidFi, including a sign-up bonus of over $2,000, $2,888 in free cryptocurrency with signing up, like I said, with the description down in the description down below with a link. And then even better than that, they've now included the demo account, a revamped demo account back to the exchange here, which you can take advantage of. This gives you the availability and the option to literally practice your XRP and Bitcoin and Solana trades for free and even risk-free. They give you $50,000 of Monopoly money to test your skills and get familiar with the platform. And then when you're ready, you can actually start using the real account, using the accumulated free bonus money that you've earned to trade around. So make sure to sign up down in the description below to BidFi. And then moving forward from that, I pretty much, hopefully you guys by now understand what we're looking for XRP is a confirmed closure above major resistance at 62 cents. And then we need to continue further. And why I don't think the breakout is, it is starting, but we might not be out of it just yet. You can see the other cryptos haven't necessarily done it. I mean, Bitcoin has, so that's, we're right around that. Some are a little bit, early bloomers and some aren't here. But you can see the beautiful bull flag as well forming on Ethereum here. Clear price ceiling up top, but a more moderate buy-in would be a confirmation closure outside the yellow downtrend here. Very simple. You guys know how this works here. So wait for that on the daily closure to buy in. Then as for Bitcoin here, we've already started that. We've had a small bull flag formation here, confirmed closure kind of yesterday, but it wasn't enough to buy in. Today, we're actually starting to see that big swing to the upside here. The goal is we can close here, or honestly, you can even get in today. You can get in early, which I might take advantage of. Put that stop loss lower and just get in, because we are starting to rise up, and there's a good chance we might continue to rise up even higher with resistance at 46K, but a rise nonetheless. So consider that, as this might be an opportunity to buy in and swing to the upside. So I'm excited. I think we're going to be breaking through that, or at least retesting that soon. If we don't close today, I think it's going to continue to pan out over the next couple of days, but just the market is starting. The bull flags are being broken as we speak, which is huge news. You can see what bull flags typically do. Here's the flag pole, here's the flag itself, here's that breakout, and here's the rally on the S&P 500, which is insane. But we might even hit the top and then consolidate downwards here. I think we're just due for consolidation. We have pumped so much so we need to consolidate. Maybe what we've drawn on here, maybe this rally right here in blue, my prediction is what's happening right now. And then hopefully now we'll see that consolidation, which ideally is just to consolidate down like this and not actually send us. I'd rather not see a crash like that. If we can consolidate like that, it'll hopefully lower us on the RSI to eventually head up even higher. That's my goal, because right now this explosion to the upside is not good for the stock market at all. It's way too quick and it's way too fast here. We are literally inches away. It's really crazy. We're inches away. We knew we would reverse out of this. We knew we'd come back up to the top here, and that's exactly what we're doing. So huge opportunity to make money. It's really nuts. From the bottom here, you can see accounts, you would have been up 32%. It's really insane here. So I'm excited to see how things decide to pan out moving forward. But with all of that being said, and now we're going to hit a peak, there's a good chance we might double top, and that's what we need to pay attention to, as we're going to hit it again, being overbought, and we might pull back down. So we'll see how this wants to pan out moving forward. Let me know your opinions down in the comment section below. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.